Okay, hi there. Today I'm going to do part two of my series, Beginner's Course for Affiliate Marketing. This is Rob from 8791 Networks, and today's topic is content and traffic. So we're going to do a general overview of content and traffic strategies for driving customers to your landing page. So if you saw video one in the series, you'll have seen this general process flow we put together. And what we're going to focus on today is just this upper section up here, internet traffic and content. As well as some brief discussion about how you drive some traffic to your landing page. So the first thing I want to talk about is really determining what type of content and through what means you're planning to market to your potential customers. So there's a variety of ways to do this. In the end, though, the goal is to get a customer to click on a link which takes them into the first phase of your sales funnel, the landing page, which is over here. So we're going to talk about content. So where do you actually get this? So content could be a product, it could be some information, a service you provide, a variety of things. Amazon has a lot of products. Teespring is like a t-shirt design company you could do. Rakuten is LinkShare. They used to have a lot of links, so you could send people through a link to someone else's website where maybe they buy a product or service. ShopStyle is a fashion site, but what we're really going to focus on here is ClickBank. And the other thing you want is, I think I mentioned this before, at the bottom of just about every website, you will see something where they either talk about affiliates or partner with us. So just about anything now has some type of affiliate program you can join where you can get content. And typically you want to try to focus around a certain niche or a product focus. So I'm going to talk a little bit more here about ClickBank content and some suggestions for picking a particular vendor within ClickBank. So this is over here to the right what an example ClickBank listing looks like. And so I have already loaded up ClickBank over here. And so when you log in and you create an account, you're going to want to click up here where it says Marketplace. And in that Marketplace, they have a whole variety of categories over here. Some good ones are health and fitness, e-business, marketing, business and investing, sports. You can see all the different categories here. And so in my presentation, I picked one already here, and this is called the Big Diabetes Lie. So if you click on, this is their actual sales page here. You can see it has a video and it looks like some references. And then it says here, no time to watch the video, click here to read a transcript. So this gives information, and I'm not going to scroll down all the way, but essentially the sales pitch. So at the end of the day, we're going to sell this product to a customer through a landing page such that the customer makes it back to this sales page. So some things you want to look for as far as programs to promote within ClickBank. We have some basic guidelines here, and I have these in the document. We want to look for a gravity between 0 and 60, and that's listed here in the product description. Has an affiliate tools section, has a sales page. The sales page preferably has video as well as content on it, or a link to the text page like I showed you before. And you also want to try to solve an immediate concern. Really get that customer to act now, a problem that they may have already. And you want it to have a good general appeal to it. The other thing you really want to look for is their affiliate section. Does it have enough extra information in it that you can use to effectively promote this product? I've seen a lot of affiliate sections where they may have a couple of email swipes, and that's it. And there's not really a whole lot to go off. So we're going to go back and let's take a look at this page here. It's all right. I mean, it looks pretty sales pitchy to me. I guess I'm not really sure whether this is something. So far, I've scrolled halfway down and there hasn't even been here. This looks like the first sales pitch. So I'm not really sure I totally like this. Here, the only add to cart is all the way at the bottom. So you're relying on a customer to make it through 90% of this pitch before they hit see the add to cart. So I'm not totally sold on that. Let's go back here and see what their affiliate page looks like. And this is, so let's see, they've got some hop link information, a personal story. So it looks like they do have some additional pages that you can land on. Their direct to order page, that's always good. Here you can enter your affiliate info. And it looks like they have some, you can email them and they'll give you some additional information. But right now, it looks like they really want you to email them and then they'll send you more. And I've done that with a variety of ClickBank vendors, and they're usually pretty good at getting back to you within a day or two and providing you more information. So it looks like there's enough here to promote. I'm not totally sold on the sales pages, but what I would do is go through some of these other landing pages first and take a look at them and then really start to go from there. So again, you can sort of use this guideline, and I'm going to go back to ClickBank and show you how to filter through this a bit. So right here where you have gravity, you're going to want to change this to 60, and you'll see it automatically start filtering. I usually do English, as well as must have an affiliate tools page. So when you start clicking, it'll automatically start filtering out some of these. And then these little images down here where my cursor is at, you see a vendor spotlight. It's mobile friendly. So anyway, that's how to sort of navigate through ClickBank and at least try to find some programs to promote. So as far as advertising strategy and how do you actually drive traffic, a lot of people do pay-per-click advertising, Google ads, Microsoft ads, Facebook. If you have your own website or blog, you can promote through that. A lot of people use YouTube. They'll do videos and then they'll talk about a product and have some of their links in the description, either to a landing page or somewhere else. Social media accounts are also very good to use to send to landing pages, pre-sell the product, and then send them to the landing page. So also, I've got to have a note here. Keep in mind that many of the sites don't allow you to directly post affiliate links. A lot of forums are this way. So that's really why we lead into the next phase, the next video, which I'm going to go, which you can get to next, and that is talks about the landing page. So it's really that buffer between the content and the sales page. That's where you really want to pre-sell them, and then there's other benefits with the landing page where you can get them to have opt-ins, email lists, and some of that we'll talk about in the next video. So that's all for this particular video. I hope you learned a few things. Again, in the description, I will have a link to the presentation. That way you can download it, keep it for reference, like, subscribe, and if you feel it's worthwhile, go ahead and donate. Maybe enough for a cup of coffee. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.